Hey, what's up? Merry Christmas! Welcome back to our channel. Honey Bunny just opened her presents in like 5 minutes flat. Very fast.
there was a lot of stuff and I was really excited.
Alright, so happy holidays everybody. This is our special Christmas mukbang, and no, I did not cook today. Thank you very much. We have veggie house, lo mein, house fried rice, orange chicken, and crispy eggplant. Also, when we were at the Veg Fest last year, or earlier this year or whatever, we were waiting in line and chatting with some people. So I met Gabby, Mrs. Vegan Chef, at Mrs. Vegan Chef on Instagram. I saw her cooking it up yesterday, some tamales, some vegan tamales and some vegan pozole. So I was like, hook it up. So I went over and picked up some food from her. So we are going to try that out today. Oh, okay. So, you know, people use like jackfruit a lot for, you know, meat substitute or whatever. So she has a jackfruit pozole here. And I don't have all the garnish for it, sorry. But I love pozole, okay? So we going to see. I got lime and I got some cabbage for it. And it looks really good. It smells really good. Also, she made 2 types of vegan tamales. A red one and then a green one. And one of them has jackfruit in it also. So we are going to see how it is. But I'm going to try this pozole right now. Anyway, how was everybody's Christmas?
Good.
Drop it down in the comments.
Mom got $1,000.
This broth is really good. This broth is really good. And I've never had the jackfruit before. It's good. Good shit, Gabby. You wanna try it, honey? Just take a little bite.
Is it spicy?
I don't know. I don't think it's spicy.
It smells a bit spicy. It's good.
You like it? Good.
It's not spicy.
She likes it, girlfriend. And I love tamales, okay? I have had a vegan tamales once since being vegan. And they were good.
I don't know if I've ever eaten tamales.
Yeah, you gotta try it.
I haven't had normal tamales.
I'm gonna leave her Instagram information down in the description box if y'all want to stalk her. What's everybody gonna do today? We're gonna go watch Mary Poppins. Oh, this is a meatless meat inside. The green one, I think. They're both good. She was slaving. She made like 200 of them.
It's good. It's a bit spicy.
It is? So try the green one. It's not spicy. The pozole is really good.
It's good.
We also have roti with the curry.
Oh my god, that's spicy.
What? Oh. This roti curry is so good. And she gave me a bag of her homemade tortilla chips.
Tortilla chips.
She fried them up herself. Mmm. You want more soup, honey?
Later.
Mmm. That's not true. Oh.
That's what I thought.
Did you say it to him?
No.
Camille's grandpa said that Korean and Chinese people are the same. That's racist. Mmm. Nummy. It's Cameron's first Christmas. Just kidding.
Ooh, more shrimp.
These are good. I had vegan tamales at, oh yeah, I had vegan tamales somewhere else though, but I only had it one time that was good. I had them at Pancho's Vegan Kitchen, and they are not good. Hmm.
Also, I got a MacBook Air and a new pop socket for Chrysler.
Camille got a MacBook Air for Christmas.
And a new pop socket. Late reaction, Mom.
So Camille's leaving me tomorrow.
I'm off to Minnesota.
The frozen tundra.
She's gonna be in the new year all alone.
I'm gonna be all alone. All alone. Just me and Callie Cat.
And Cameron.
No.
She's rubbing on your hair.
Hi, Callie. Say Merry Christmas.
Like that one cat that I showed you that said I love you.
Mm. They're full.
Do you guys like our matching sweaters?
Camille eats all the shrimps.
I'm in my fifth one.
Hmm? That's all of them.
What if I'm having a lot? I had 3.
Do you like this better or this better? Oh, I thought you like the noodle better. I like this one better too.
Before we started recording, Mom said that we were going to get copyright. Michael Bubble.
Can I have the water, please?
Of course not.
Let's go. Ugh, my gosh.
21 whole subs. And 1,500 fans. These songs make Santa sound like a stalker.
He is. You gotta make sure you're good.
Okay.
Alright, I'm super full. We got all this food left. For later. I ain't cooking all week, okay? Please. Camille will be gone. I have to cook for nobody. Okay? Okay.
For yourself.
Yeah, I have all this. I got tamales for days. I got 2 dozen tamales. It was $20 per dozen. And then I got 2 like pints of pozole. And it was $8 each. So it was like $56. And I gave her 60 bucks. And then I went to VEGGIE house. I got the lo mein, the fried rice, the orange chicken, the crispy eggplant, and the roti. And that was just under $60 also. Hi, Callie girl. Hi.
There's a bell.
Oh, so our Christmas meal was about $120. Eek! Ugh. Get off.
Callie, go.
Your booty in my face. Yeah. But yeah, so it's Christmas. I don't care. We are not cooking. Camille's happy because she's not gonna have to do any dishes really.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, because we gonna just put it away or whatever. And we're gonna go to the movies and, you know, spend arm and a leg there. But it's all good, baby. And tomorrow's our day together before she leaves. So good thing you got that $100. You can use it tomorrow for us. Or
It's
not.
so funny. Let's go to Michael's today.
You wanna go to Michael's today?
Yeah,
Are they open today?
Oh, I forgot it's Christmas.
I mean, they might be, but...
I want to go to Michael's someday and get Callie a Christmas present.
Alright, so anyway, we are done. For now. My tummy... Ugh. We full. We done. Okay? So I hope everybody has a wonderful day today. Oh, God. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Merry
Turn off
Christmas,
the bell
everybody.
notice.
What?
Bell notice.
Oh. Yes, everybody have a wonderful day today, and we will catch you on the next video. Alright? Thanks for watching.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.